Eat already. Oh my God! I didn't steal anything. My car. Then look for my receipt. I dropped it. I've already been to this aisle. I didn't steal. I'm here all the time.
Okay, where's your receipt?
I dropped it. Then I didn't steal anything.
So you weren't bagging the stuff up in the toy section?
No.
Then what? I guess I was imagining things. Then.
Yeah, you were. I was not.
All right, just hang tight. So, why don't we go into the security office and
Let me put my daughter in the car then.
Huh?
Let me just put her in the car.
No. Okay, we're all going to go to the security office right now and review the footage.
I'm not sitting in front of my kid.
Okay. Stop.
Please don't put me in handcuffs. Okay, don't put me in handcuffs. Don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Okay, don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Okay, don't put me in handcuffs.
I will put you in handcuffs because you're not listening. You're walking away from me.
I'm not.
I'm detaining you right now.
I'll give you my. I'll buy it again. I have my debit card. I will give you. I bought that, and I will give you my debit card.
Please don't put my mommy in jail. Please. Please don't Please don't put my mommy in jail.
Please
All right.
go and I'll walk off.
No.
Please.
We're going to the security office right now.
Okay.
So we can review. It's okay, sweetie. Naples by car 11, one the same.
Can I at least pay for it again?
Right now, no.
Yeah, why? I've already paid for it. I've already paid for it. Sir, I paid for it.
We'll see.
Okay, but I've been in here twice today. Please let me pay for it again then. I have money.
We're going to watch the video.
Okay, and then what?
And then, if you concealed stuff without paying for it, then you're probably going to go to jail.
But I have the money for it.
It doesn't matter. The crime was already committed. Come on, sweetie.
Sir, but I'll pay for it. I have to
It's
pay
a little
for it
late.
again.
It's too late for that.
Come on, look what you're doing to my kid. Can I please just...
Yes.
Can I just pay for whatever you're thinking I took?
No, it's too late.
No, it's not. Please.
Stop.
Why are you
Just
being
stop.
so mean? I'm not moving
Have a
from you,
seat.
but you need to let go
Have
of
a
my
seat.
arm.
Have a seat with mommy.
I'm not, because I already bought this stuff. I bought those two things earlier.
Plus, then forget the kid. It's going to be a lot.
It's not a lot. I have the receipt.
Okay, Mommy, I don't want you to go to jail.
I have the receipt.
Where's
It's
the
not
receipt?
there.
Where's
it,
the-
it was in the bag, dude. It's not in my
Sit down. Calm down.
body. That's not
Well, then,
fair.
if it's in the bag, then we'll find it. Sit down. Calm down.
That's not
Sit
fair.
down.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything, dude.
Who is this?
My husband.
You have a little
You have the other receipt? You have the other receipt to show them? Please.
What's going on?
Where's my mommy?
So, your wife, we believe that your wife has concealed items.
Okay.
I gave her a
Okay.
gift card.
Okay, calm down. She's being detained right now. We're going to review the video. Okay? Do you have a receipt for the items?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Do
I
you have another
I gave
receipt?
her a gift card.
I understand. But do you have a receipt for the toys and stuff that she had?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay.
My mommy.
So,
Whatever it is, I'll buy it.
just hang tight. Sweetie. Sweetie, you can come out with your daddy. Here.
I got the receipt for those other things. I had it in a bag. I'll pay for it.
Here's the receipt that he has.
There's another one.
Is there a fire 43?
Guys, I promise. There's another receipt. I'm a good person. I don't
let's go.
steal. It's a blanket.
I'm guessing this is your personal blanket.
Yes, and her stuff is in here.
Okay.
Where's your ID? I don't have it. It's in my car. Did you at least have her baby and her toys that she carries with her? And her
Yes,
stuff?
we'll give them to him. Relax. Calm down.
Sir, I already bought that other stuff, okay? I swear I did. Here's my gift. There's my gift.
Calm
card.
down. Sit down.
It's right there. There's my gift card.
What's your last name? Middle initial?
Huh?
Middle initial? I mean,
Just-
you should not have to. I gave her a gift card.
I understand. Give us a minute. We're going to review the video. Okay? Just give us a minute. Okay?
I'm going to take them to the car.
Is there a
Yeah, this little thing right here.
I was going to register. You get my phone.
you walk out with her son?
I have the money right there. I have
Sit.
the money.
Sit.
Please give me a chance
Sit.
to pay for it.
It's too late for that.
No, sir, please don't take me to jail. Stupid friggin' squishmallows. I was gonna pay for them.
You just admitted you were going to pay for them. You just admitted that.
I already had paid. There's my gift
Sit.
card.
There's this right here. Meet me in AP, please.
Just squishmallows, guys. I was going to the register. Please.
Frank, do you copy?
How am I going to accuse of something I didn't do? I didn't steal all that stuff. I have a receipt,
Relax.
sir.
Calm down.
No, I'm not. Calm down. You did that in front of my kid. I have the receipt for the other things.
I'm gonna set the key card at 29 for you.
Go for it.
I'm a good person, I promise. I didn't. I won't. Please.
Naples
I paid for
5
everything.
Charlie. Naples 5 Charlie 11 65 at 29 by number.
Whatever you want. I have money.
Hey. This is the third witness.
Alright. You know, I pull the
Close
pallet.
the door really quick.
I pull the pallet. Like, when I pull the pallet, you know, when somebody. That's what I see, but I thought you would pay for it, though, you know? That's it. Because I saw you with the key.
Oh, I'm sorry. I
Because-
wasn't dumb.
You know, just like when you pull pallet, this is
I'll have
the
to have you
body.
just type a statement. That's all.
Please.
I'm a lunch, so should I
Take me
just.
to jail.
What's two, man?
Take me to jail. I already bought the other things. Please. You guys are happy about some squishmallows?
Maybe I'm never happy about.
I know, but
this ever.
I paid for the other things. Can I please go home?
What time did you pay for?
I was here at like 1:26. We came back to get those for the kids.
Sit.
I didn't steal any of
Can you
those. I'm
just Mirandize her?
sorry.
Because she's just.
Hmm?
Can you just Mirandize her? 'Cause
Yeah,
she
no.
just keeps.
No, I'll stop then. I'll stop. Can I go home now?
You have no.
So, restart the lunch after the statement, okay?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't get bonded out right away?
Yeah.
This is,
Unless you're a convicted felon.
here I am.
Well, then no.
Why are you guys arresting me? Over a squishmallow? Why are you arresting me?
For
Over
theft.
a squishmallow that I was going to pay for? Alright.
So bypassing the self-checkout.
It's alright, it's alright. My mom's an attorney. Don't worry about it. I got both your names. How is that
Because you
legal?
can't walk out of the store with
Well, I
merchandise. you have
apologize.
paid
I was
for.
coming right back. I wasn't trying to. I
And
never
they were
stole
trying
in
to
my
stop
life.
you, and I pulled up in front of
Because he
you
tried to grab me. Nobody's gonna grab me. I was going to my car. How are you gonna arrest me for this?
because you passed all points of sale
But I was
without
just
paying for
going
it.
to get my card out of my
Then you
car.
should have left the car.
Wouldn't even
Then I apologize.
argue with her and things.
So, give me.
I shouldn't be arrested for this. I was getting my other money out of my car. Are you gonna give me another charge?
Maybe 50.
That people killing each other here in Naples and they're worrying about me going to get another car. I make plenty of money. I don't need to be freaking accused of theft.
It's going to be at
More money than you
5012
guys do.
Catalina Court, 5012 Catalina Court, 3084.
This is these are the
I tried to-
confirmed items.
Yeah.
We don't know what.
Are you okay?
We know this.
What is
We know
Can I at
this
least
is
have my
yes.
debit card back?
All of
My
this?
money?
All this is stolen. We gotta figure this out. I'm 99% sure it's stolen.
It's not.
The story she just told me, but and that was it. We're gonna
No, it's not though. So you're gonna take my items too? Are you serious? Where's my debit card that I had? My gift card that you guys took?
Can you sit down?
Yeah, but it has $186 on it. That's not fair. I'm being accused of stealing and then you're taking my gift card? You guys have to understand.
It's 23.
Giving my stuff to my husband.
Yes. Okay. Relax.
No, I'm pissed off. I didn't steal
understand.
I didn't steal
Let's
anything.
stop
I
yelling
just
at
paid
me.
More money. I have $186 on here. I went to the car. Come on, man.
All right. Before we go, hold on.
Is this
I'm gonna-
the purse?
Yes. And that blanket and the ID.
Please, let me just give it. Can I please talk to my kids?
Hey.
Please. I didn't steal anything. I was going out to my car. Please. Please. Stop. I'm sorry.
Put your-
Sorry.
no,
Sorry.
get-
Sorry.
Put it down.
I didn't steal anything. Oh my
Give me
God.
your hand.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a receipt. All of this is stolen. We have to.
No, it's not.
We just see you on the video right now grabbing that wagon.
Oh my God. No, it was not. I'm not running. I'm not going from.
Yo, I'm trying to direct you
Well,
where
I'm
you
trying
need to
get my
go.
husband the keys.
I'll give it to him. Stand over there. Go over there. I'll give it to him in a second. I gotta put
No
this
worries.
stuff down.
Oh, search me all you want. I love you. Please call my husband now.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Yeah. What? All right, tell him I love him, Carl.
Do you want him to have this?
Yeah, it's got all the money on it. Baby, call all out. EMS is coming because I'm starting to detoxing off my Suboxone.
All right, turn around. When you're